with cognitive development is that nutrition plays an important role. There are some differences between the Tony tree and the Raven's matrices, but these two tests have got very high correlation, so they are comparable. They are both non-verbal tests. So the main implication of our study is that we need to pay a lot more attention to our children's nutrition. We know that they don't have enough vitamin D, many of them over 50%. That can also affect their cognitive functioning. That's all that has been found. And now that we know our children are more on the overweight side, I mean 1 in 5 children, that's 20%. It's 1 in 5. Yeah? But what we need to be aware of is this 1 in 5 may be the focus right now, but we need to remember this 1 in 5 lives with this 2 in 5, neighbors with this 3 in 5, schools with this 4 in 5, and if this 1 in 5 has a problem,